Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of adding avocados to your daily diet. These green wonders aren't just trendy, they're a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly boost your overall well-being. So why should you consider incorporating avocados into your meals every day? Let's find out. First things first, avocados are packed with essential nutrients and healthy fats that are incredibly beneficial for our bodies. From promoting heart health to aiding in weight management, avocados offer a wide range of benefits that support overall wellness. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in boosting immunity, improving digestion, and supporting brain function. Did you know avocados are one of the few fruits that contain healthy fats, making them a fantastic addition to a balanced diet? Plus, they've been linked to reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and even enhancing skin health. If you're looking to elevate your health game, avocados might just be the superfood you've been searching for. Let's dive into the rich nutritional profile of avocados and see how this superfood can positively impact your health in so many ways. Avocados are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, making them a versatile addition to your daily diet. These nutrients support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and promoting good cholesterol. The fiber content aids in weight management by keeping you full longer, and the vitamins and antioxidants contribute to glowing skin and overall skin health. Add slices to salads, blend them into smoothies, or mash them for a creamy guacamole dip. Whether you prefer savory or sweet dishes, avocados can elevate the flavor and nutritional value of your meals effortlessly. So, get creative in the kitchen and reap the numerous health benefits avocados offer. Let's explore the specific health benefits that come with incorporating avocados into your daily diet. These tasty additions to your meals offer a plethora of benefits that can enhance your overall well-being remarkably. Avocados are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. The healthy fats in avocados also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them a great addition to weight management diets. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in avocados have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, the omega-3 fatty acids in avocados support brain health and cognitive function, promoting mental clarity and focus. Many individuals have reported improvements in their digestion, skin health, and energy levels after incorporating avocados into their daily meals. Studies have shown that regular avocado consumption can lead to reduced cholesterol levels, improved heart health, and better blood sugar control. These findings highlight the significant impact avocados can have on one's health and quality of life. So, why not start reaping the benefits of daily avocado consumption and experience a positive transformation in your well-being? Start your day with refreshing avocado toast topped with cherry tomatoes and feta cheese. For lunch, try a vibrant avocado salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and a zesty lime dressing. And for dinner, indulge in creamy avocado pasta with cherry tomatoes and basil for a satisfying and flavorful meal. Whip up a batch of avocado chocolate mousse for a guilt-free dessert that's rich and decadent. For a savory snack, try avocado hummus paired with crunchy veggie sticks for a satisfying and nutritious treat. From avocado smoothie bowls to avocado egg rolls, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating avocados into your daily meals. Together, let's embrace the power of avocados and nourish our bodies for optimal health and vitality. Thank you for watching.